How to fix slow app download speed on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you several effective ways to fix slow App Store download speeds. First, turn airplane mode on for about 30 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. You don't need to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. If you're using Wi-Fi, open Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi, then tap the Info button next to your connected network. Scroll down to Configure DNS, then tap on it, select Manual, remove any existing DNS servers, and add 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Tap Save when you're done. If you're using mobile data, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap Cellular Data Options and choose Standard or Allow More Data on 5G or LTE, depending on your device. Also, go back and make sure Low Data Mode is turned off. Next, go back to Main Settings page and tap App Store. Under Cellular Data, turn on App Downloads, App Updates, and In-App Content, so downloads aren't restricted while using mobile data. You can also open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then tap on Personalized Recommendations and select Clear App Usage Data, and again tap on Clear App Usage Data. This resets App Store recommendation data, although it usually won't affect download speed. Finally, restart your iPhone and try downloading the app again. If downloads are still slow, check your internet speed or see if Apple is experiencing App Store service issues. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorials.